everybody, it's Samantha. This is just an intro video to my series, hopefully, on how I do my iMovie videos. So I just wanted to tell you a couple of reasons why I love iMovie. I know it's like a super generic program, but I really love it. I really enjoy iMovie because of a couple reasons, okay? Here's number one. There's no watermark. Now obviously with Pampered Chef or when you have other businesses, they usually have their little brand in the corner. Or if you use any other kind of video software like Power Director I tried, it says their little name in the corner and you don't want it to say that. You want it to say whatever your name is, if that's your choice. But iMovie has no watermark. The second reason I love iMovie is because it is completely free. If you have an iPhone and it is compatible, or an iPad, just like I'm on right now, if you have an iPad or any other iProduct, you can use iMovie on it, which is super helpful. You can also use iMovie wherever you are. You don't need to be connected to the internet. So that's great if you want to work on it on a car ride. Just make sure you have your videos in the software before you get there. Sometimes it is a little weird about downloading those. Another reason that I love iMovie is because it is pretty simple to use. It's not super tricky. There are a couple controls and just enough to do exactly what you want to do without there being too much extra. I think that's it. So I really enjoy using iMovie and I hope that you will be able to use your business and make some awesome videos to grow your own business.